Hello guys, it's Udiajabin right here. So I'm going to be showing you how to create this motion effect with your smartphone using the Alightmotion application. So let's get right into this video. And so the first thing I need to do is to actually bring in the image. So click on this plus icon and bring in the image. So I'm going to use this aspect ratio right here. So you can choose to use any aspect ratio that you want to use. So I want to click on create project. Make sure it's at make sure that the background is transparent and 30 frames per second. That doesn't actually matter because we are not going to be exporting video, just a JPG file or PNG. So let's just create new project. Then we bring in the image, okay, using the plus icon. Come to image and video section, then come to the picture, and here is it. So I want to scale up so it fills the screen. So the next thing is to create bring out a circular shape. So bring it to where the tire is, and make sure it and then scale up till it covers the whole tire. Once that's done, just make sure it's black. Then we need to go to effects, add effects, then come to other, come to copy background, click on standard, then go back and add another effect. Come to blur, and we're going to add spin blur. So come to spin blur. We should have used spin streaks, but we just want to use spin blur or spiral blur. Still the same thing. So just come to standard and come to the settings, increase it. Of course, you can see it's starting to take effects. Increase it a bit more. I think we should scale up a bit. Yeah, so the next thing is to copy that. Come to copy or duplicate layer. So once it's duplicated, just click on the first one, then drag right here, and you can scale down because it looks as if the front tire is actually a little bit more smaller. So once that's done, it's time to create a vector around the car. So come to add icon and come to vector drawing. We want to create a vector drawing around this car. Let's start from here. Let's start drawing. It mustn't be perfect. So once that's done, come back and let's change this color to black. Then the next thing is to create a new shape. So click on this rectangle tool and scale up till it fills the screen. Then change that to white or any color at all. So now click on this edge here, click it down until it highlights it. Then you can bring it down, then copy these and these, click on this icon right here. So once that's done, come back to this, click on it, come to effects, come to add effects, and come to other, come to copy background, standard, Then add another effect, come to blur. Then we need to add directional blur, standard. Now can you see that? So yeah, we are done. So the next thing is to just maybe edit the blur effect. You can make it a little bit more faster. I think this should be okay. Right there, you can export. Come to current frame as PNG and export.